All right, guys, here we go. What do we got now? So let's go to the delta math here. Oopsie, what happened? That's not what I wanted. I want the delta math. Okay, so I'm going to take this, click on it. Next question is question 23. All right, it says we got a rental car here, charges $31.91 per day, and then to rent a car, and 7 cents for every mile driven. Hudson wants to rent a car knowing that he plans to drive 100 miles. He has at most $70 to spend. So that's his budget. He can't go over 70. And then it says, which inequality can be used to determine X, the maximum number of days Hudson can afford to rent for while staying within his budget. All right, so this is a little tricky. It's going to be an inequality. Let's see what we got here. So it's charging him 31 per day. We want to know X, the maximum number of days that he can afford to stay within his budget. So this is what we're looking for. And you notice it's days, so we're going to connect that to this because this is per day. And that's this 7 cents for every mile, that goes with this. So miles go with miles, days go with days. So if he's going 7 cents per mile, and we have 100 miles, that's going to be 7 cents times 100. So that's going to be 7 cents a mile. So all you would do is go 7 over 100 times 100. So that's going to be $7. He's going to have $7 driving 100 miles. So that's going to cost him $7. Now, how much is it going to cost him to rent the car? That's the part we got to figure out. So let me get rid of this. All right, so we got word problems. Let's see here. So now we know he cannot go over $70 because that's his budget. And we also know that he's already spent $7 driving 100 miles. So now what we need to figure out is $31.91 per day times X, the number of days, will tell us how much money he's going to spend. So we need to find something like this. This one is close, but it's not right. This one is close, but it's not right. This one is close, but it says that we have more than $70. This is the one right here. Now, the fact that they got the 70 first, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. I could flip this around. I could write this way. Remember, the greater than or equal is pointed to the 70, right? So you got 31.91x plus 7. So I think it's this one right here. So let's go and check it. All right. I didn't like that they put the budget amount first, but basically I just took the information that I had. I knew that this is going to be a linear inequality, right? Because we're doing things per day. We're adding $31.91 per day. We're adding 7 cents every mile. So those are both linear slope concepts. So I knew that, but they also told us that he was going to drive 100 miles, so I could figure that part out. What I didn't know is how much he would be able to do per day based on the 31.91 per day. So anyway, I'm going to stop this and post it.